In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful, may peace, mercy and blessings of Allah the Almighty be upon all of you. I am Umar ibn Abid and this is Hot Potatoes tutorial 4, and in this video we are going to look at how to use JMatch. That is, we are going to learn that how to create matching exercises and how to create and how to insert pictures, so we can create exercises in which we can use pictures, and we can also use other types of matching exercises in which there is a word, for example vocabulary matching exercises and some others. The same video is available in Urdu on my channel as well. You can follow the link in the description below. So this is JMatch. Before JMatch, I also uploaded the videos, the tutorial of JClose and JQuiz. So let's open JMatch. So this is the interface of JMatch. So let me show you a few things with the help of magnifier. So you can see here there are 5 blocks, and if you want to add more, you can press the arrow button above and you can add more as you wish. Other things I have shown you in other videos, so you can watch those videos, and I also told you that where to download this software. So let's start. First of all, we have to give here a title. So for example, just I am going to write that match the following. So I have given the title match the following. So here you can see left order items and right jumbled items. So what you have to do that on left side here you have to put you can say the questions, and here you have to put the answers. So let me start with adding pictures as well as those questions as well without pictures. So I am creating 5 questions or 4 questions, and in 3 of them I will add some pictures. So let me add a picture. I have already downloaded some pictures, so I'm going to add by this button. And if you want to add a picture by URL, so you have to click on this link, this button, and I have also told you in other videos that how to insert link. So whenever you click on this button that add a picture from hard drive, so a warning will be given that please save your data before inserting a picture. So you have to save. So for example, save as, and I am just giving the name, sorry, battery is running low, 111, and then save. So now it has been saved, and now I can add pictures. So for example, now I have a picture of, for example, teeth open. Now change the size, this is very big size, so I think 100 height and 100 width is enough. And it's also your choice that picture alignment left, center, right, none is I am going with none. Okay, so picture has been added here, and now just in front of that question you have to write the correct answer. So I'm going to write here teeth, and the software by default will jumble these answers. When we go to the exercise in web page, so these answers will be jumbled by the software. So for example, if you don't want to jumble an answer, so you may fix it. When you click on this button, so this answer will fixed with this picture, so it will not be jumbled. So let me add another picture here. So here I'm going to add another picture that is of a car. Once again I'm changing the height, and okay, let me write here car. Now I'm not going to fix it. Similarly, for example, I am writing here now I am writing here a country, United Kingdom, So now it's an exercise of countries and their capitals, and here I am writing London, sorry, and here I am going to write Pakistan, and here Islamabad, here I am going to write you can say which country, all right, so all right, India, and here New Delhi or just Delhi. So I have created this exercise. I have just, so let me fix this car. I am not going to fix these. So once you have done this, now click on this button or either on this button. But if you directly want to see the exercise, then click on this button. It will ask you to save. You can save with the same name or with another name. Save. Now it will ask you view the exercise in my web page. So it was working from here to here. So now what you have to do is to place that in front of in front of that question you think that is the right. So I'm going to put it here. So let me turn off the magnifier. So in this way, now London, like this, now T's, and now New Delhi, this, and now press the button check. Your score is 100. All right, I have done it. So this is the way to use JMatch. So I hope you would have understood this video. So if you have understood this video and understood how to use JMatch, you may like my video and you may subscribe my channel, and don't forget to give your feedback. Remember in your prayers. Jazakallah khairan, and thank you.